hinges where the pipe meets the headers. It was more on the where the H pipe meets the overaxle pipes. They used the stock clamp. For some reason that was leaking like crazy. I used compressed air and I covered one of the exhaust pipes to create that pressure field and using some soapy water. And that mid clamp pipe is right underneath the passenger side, so it makes sense that those fumes were poisoning me. So I used the copper silicone. My cousin's a mechanic, he gave me some advice, so hopefully that copper silicone fixes the issue. I'm gonna start her up right now. I hope I don't get poisoning again. I know she's gonna be loud. All right, let's see.